Rais William RUTO ni atongeretie akenya akiri MAAMBURA ja gukungwira miaka 60 ya Uciathi MAAMBURA jaria jathithikirite kienine kia UHURU Gardens. Akiaria Rais RUTO naugite gutikinya ciringi imwe ya mbeca cia ugoti ikaura gukurukira ungumania. Akiuga agatigira mbeca cionthe ni gutumirwa na njira iria yagirite. RUTO ni atokete aria na uchamba bonene kiri mantu jegie uchumi. Akiuga MURIGO wa MARANDU NIJWAMBIRITIE KUUTHA na ari na uma garama ya uturo ikena mantu kunite kuraja. Anthony Kathenya no kari MAAMBURA-ini jaja gatumenyithie nkuruki.
Karibu.
Mutongeria wa ndini ya Kenya tawe Rais William RUTO ni waratongerete MAAMBURA mama ma Jamhuri.
Ni furaha iliyoje taifa la Kenya tunapoadhimisha makala ya 60.
Kirotuba yae Rais William RUTO nilithite mibango mingi ila thirikari yae kirete kenda gutigila kiroto kia barabara wagira wiathi bwandeno nigigokinyanira. Boambere Rais William RUTO ni akadite gukira kwa itengo bili bia thirikari ilio bunge na gitengo ya kurungamira koti kia judiciary. RUTO akilithagia itengo bibibiele bitwikite bia kwirungamira bula kubaterie ngugi jiao ikilithagwo ni katiba.
Parliament, for example, is now more than ever an independent assertive organ of government with its own calendar and its own budget. As a result of this autonomy, party positions on important national issues are much more clearly defined, and whenever circumstances and the national interest demand, bipartisan engagement across the political divide is pursued in a structured manner.
Boajiri Rais William RUTO ni akadite mibango la bekirite miomo na merito ya gukiria uchumi akiuga ni ambilite kujara matunda kagitakala ndino yombete kulea madeni amono uchumi kwa ambilia gukila.
The policy measures required to mobilize necessary revenues have been difficult, but they were our only way and means of escape. Proudly, these sacrifices have paid off. I can now confirm, without fear of any contradiction, that Kenya is safely out of the danger of debt distress and that our economy is on a stable footing.
Mutongeria wa ndini ya Kenya Rais William RUTO akithijaga na mbele na kwelithia thirikari yae nitengete kigina kinene kia bilioni 127 kiri sekta ya kithomo. Kigina giki gikiganagua na kwiro kire university Scrooge TVETs amuna wandekani bwarimo.
We have increased the total allocation to our education sector by an additional 127 billion this year. Out of this, 46 billion will support the new university funding model that gives equal chance to every child in Kenya to acquire university education. An additional 9 billion to cover our TVET funding model and the hiring of an extra 2,000 tutors necessary for our TVET education. An additional 47 billion to enable TSC, Teacher Service Commission, hire 56,000 new teachers and other interventions.
Rais William RUTO haikatha mubango wa kibwa nyomba na kugana kuthina mbele na kwa imona binge wera.
The housing program is a bottom-up job creator. There are 33 active housing development sites already employing 120,000 people in various parts of the country. Another 31 sites are undergoing evaluation to begin construction next month.
Rais William RUTO kagitakana litete kirembesa jonde ilikaudhuranua kuma kiriogoti igatumira block baterie na gote siringi no imwe ikaulila kire ungumania.
It is only right that I match this admirable commitment by the people of Kenya to do their part in getting the economy going and give an assurance that all taxes collected by government shall be put to their intended use and that no Kenyan shilling shall be lost through embezzlement, theft, or corruption.
Mwena gwo kagita gaka Rais William Ruto na thirikari yaikaibia wathoni yendekithia labalaba kwija Kenya kwithira bena visa kienda gukili utalii amuna kuongela onjorithia.
It is with great pleasure as president of this extraordinary country to make a historic announcement of the decision of the government of Kenya. Beginning January 2024, Kenya will be a visa-free country. It shall no longer be necessary for any person from any corner of the globe to carry the burden of applying for a visa to come to Kenya.
Kuma muji munene wa Nairobi, Mbeta Antony, Rangi wa Kadhenye.